Create like a pro with Insta360 Flow, the world's most advanced AI tracking stabilizer.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I am a drone pilot. And check this out, we have Lexi, who is from Insta360. You know, the Insta360 company that makes the Flow, that makes the X3 camera, and makes the Insta360 Go camera. Those little cameras I stick on RC planes, drones, everything else. Well, she's here visiting.
Snap on your phone. Unfold in just one step and start filming in seconds. With next-level stabilization for capturing steady shots on the go. A built-in selfie stick for unlocking new, creative angles. And AI tracking to perfectly frame your shot.
Now you're probably wondering why Lexi's here. That's because she's traveling around Canada and the United States visiting YouTube partners. So she's visited a few already and she's come nicely to my city of Ottawa to visit me. Now I will let Lexi say a few words, but first I want to let you know that she is kind of Canadian a little bit like me. She spent 6 years in Saskatchewan. She does have permanent residency in Canada, which is pretty cool, although she works in different parts of the world. And for you Americans, she actually works in LA in Sherman Oaks,
yes,
where the older people are, but she's not very old.
Just raise your hand to start tracking. No matter what's in the way, Flow stays locked on the subject. With slow motion tracking, always get that perfect shot. Or use zoom tracking to let Flow's smart AI anticipate the next move. Even stay in frame during calls or streams.
Say hi, Grandma.
Now, because Lexi's in town, I just happen to have an AI-powered smartphone Insta360 Flow device that's never been opened, so I asked her if she would help me give this away to one of you. So we're going to do that here today, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is post a comment below and say, "Hi Lexi," and answer 3 things. And the 3 things you have to answer is, what's your first name? I need to know that. What country do you live in? I need to know that. And you have to answer the question to the link that is below this video. All you have to do is click below this video. You'll see everything you need to write in a comment below this video. And then in 3 days, I'm just going to randomly use the YouTube comment random picker generator thing and pick a winner, and then come back to this video, look below the video, and you'll see if your name is there. It will say the winner is, and there's the name. Pretty cool, eh?
Set up your shot and create Hollywood effects, time lapses, stunning 360 photos, easy cinematic hyperlapses, dolly zooms, dynamic angles, and more creative modes. It's all at your fingertips.
And you can see that Lexi is not only wearing a Captain Drone t-shirt that she gets to keep, but she also has Captain Drone stickers that I'm going to give away along with this. Now, Lexi does have a voice and I've been doing all the talking, so we're going to let her speak. So the first question for Lexi is, Lexi, how long have you been working at Insta360 and how long have we been communicating?
It's been almost 2.5 years, and I'm so happy that we can finally meet in person.
And it's a great thing we finally met in person, because honestly, for the last 2 years, I thought Lexi was a 40-year-old guy until about 3 days ago when I knew she was coming, and I said, "How am I going to recognize you at the airport?" And anyway, she sent me a picture. It was not a 40-year-old guy.
Let AI track your game, save your best shots, and create your next reel. Keep shooting with all-day power. Or simply fold it up and charge your phone.
I just want to summarize. Yes, you can win this. Yes, we are giving this away. So below, once again, just post a comment that says, "Hi Lexi," and put the answer to 3 questions. First question is, what's your first name? Second question is, what country do you live in? And the third question is, answer the question that is directly below this video. And in exactly 3 days time, you will see the winner. And I'd give you a t-shirt, but Lexi took the last one. All right.
Sorry.
All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions on this product or on this one here, the Go 3 or the X3, these are all the ones I use in all my videos. If you have any questions on those, then post them below. Thanks, Lexi, for supplying things to the Captain Drone channel. I do appreciate it. All right. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Grab your phone and get out there with Insta360 Flow.